All right, so we're going to talk about graphing cosecant, which is the same idea of graphing secant. So cosecant is related to sine. So if you guys will look at the picture over here, I want to graph cosecant right here. But all I have to do is if I want to graph this really nasty cosecant, which I have 2 times cosecant x degrees plus 20 degrees minus 1. So it's a pretty nasty equation. So what I'm going to do in order to do that is I don't even want to worry about that. I am going to do what I'm good at, which is graphing sine. So if you guys will see, I have the equation here. And it is, all I do is I replace cosecant with sine. So let's go here. I'm just going to actually show you the name and the value, and why don't we close that? So right here, what I did is instead of 2 times cosecant x degrees plus 20 degrees minus 1, what I did is I did 2 times sine x degrees 20 degrees minus 1. So I want to also show you real quick. We'll just put the grid on. So what we know here is the beginning of our curve here, well, we went down 1 and we went to the left 20 degrees. So my middle here is, if we take a look at it, is this horizontal line. So why don't I actually just go ahead and do that? And we have y equals -1. And that's that line. So why don't we make it a pretty color, and we'll go ahead and make it bright red, and why don't we make it pretty thick? All right. So what we know is our asymptotes are going to be wherever it crosses this guy. So we got 20 degrees, and then we add 180 degrees. Sorry. And we got 160 degrees, and we got an asymptote again at 340 degrees. We also know the bottom of my graph is going to be at the max, and the max is going to be here. So now all I would do is I would just simply use this to graph my cosecant. And what we'll see here is our asymptotes follow up and down from where this is. So it'd be x equals 20, right? X equals 20, alt 0, 20 degrees, enter. Let's try that again. X equals 20, enter. And I think I wanted -20, didn't I? So I'm going to change that to -20, and boom. And we got asymptote, and we probably wanted at 160 as well. So x equals 160. So I have my asymptotes, and I know how to draw my curve. I just kind of pin it in between these 2 lines, knowing my minimum is at the top of my sine curve. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you very much. Bye.